My name is Heather Linden and I graduated with a degree in environmental science with a diploma in professional practice. I graduated that with a first class honours, and I then got the Student Excel, the Age Excel Student of the Year. I'm currently working with Plotbox as a geographical information systems technician. 100% it did. Whenever I was going for my interview with Plotbox, all the questions were based on my CV and the stuff that I had done through the Age Award. So I completed 10 activities with the Age Excel Award. Some ranged from being a Chancellor of Central Ambulance Link Society. I also involved being on placement, tutoring in GIS, and also included being a geography and an age ambassador. So all these activities, they turned around and said to me after my interview and after I got the job that they were the sole reason why I got the job over every other person.